So it is currently 11:18 on August 24th, 2021. And this storm system is moving in. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll see. So, I want to get the warning on this, their watch/warning on this, because there are severe thunderstorm warnings going off in other counties that are further from me. If it does go off, I will hopefully get a recording of it. If I don't, that will suck. So, we'll see.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Saunders County until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wahoo, or 27 miles north of Lincoln, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Woo! First warning!
The radar-indicated threat.
Wasn't for my place, but...
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
Yes, we do border Sanders County. Just waiting for the stupid warning to be issued. Just waiting for that. Oh, that was a big lightning.
Stay out of the sun.
Shut up about the heat advisory that we're not even under anymore.
Vehicles under any...
Even if it was, we were still under it. It expired at 8. So we're not under it anymore. Is today Wednesday or Tuesday? Okay, where's my flashlight? Okay, we might want to make sure that we have flashlights next to our bed. Oh, there's the main flashlight.
Expected hazards.
We got one.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding.
We have one. We got one.
Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Valley, Waterloo, and Elkhorn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating.